Hello, welcome to solve this exponential equation, which is a power of x minus e the power of minus x, which is equal to 2. Find the value of x which satisfy this equation. So let's go to the solution. So first record the problem, which is e the power of x minus e the power of minus x is equal to 2. Then e the power of x minus, this will be, as you have seen, the exponent is negative, so it will be 1 over e the power of x, which is equal to 2. So now let's multiply both sides by e the power of x. So e the power of x minus 1 over e the power of x, which is equal to 2. So multiplying both sides by e the power of x by e the power of x. So it will be e the power of x times e the power of x minus e the power of x over e the power of x, which is equal to 2 times e the power of x. Now, as you have seen here, it's the same base, so we can sum up the exponent. So it will be e the power of x plus x minus e the power of x divided by e the power of x will be 1, which is equal to 2 times e the power of x. Now it will be x plus x to x minus 1, which is equal to 2 times e the power of x. So the exponent here 2x. So from the rule we know that a power of m times n is equal to a the power of m power of n. So e the power of x will be e the power of 2x can be written as a the power of x power of 2. So e the power of 2x will be ax power of 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2 times e the power of x. So let's rearrange this equation. So it will be a the power of x square minus, this will be 2 e the power of x minus 1, which is equal to 0. So now let's apply substitution. So let y is equal to a the power of x. So the equation will be, when we substitute y in place of e the power of x, it will be e the power of x is y square minus 2 times y minus 1, which is equal to 0. So we have a quadratic equation. So we can solve it by using a quadratic formula. So we have y squared minus 2y minus 1. So let's identify the coefficient. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to minus 1. So the formula is y, which is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a. So let's substitute each coefficient. So y, which is equal to minus b is minus 2 minus of minus 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 2 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c minus 1 divided by 2 times of 1. So it will be 2 plus or minus the square root of this will be 4 square minus times minus plus, so 4 square plus 4, so it will be 4 plus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 8 divided by 2. So y, finally y, which is equal to 2 plus or minus this 8 can be written as the product of 4 times and 2 divided by 2. So it will be 2 plus or minus this root 4 will be 2 root 2 divided by 2. So finally y is equal to 2 over 2 plus or minus 2 the square root of 2 divided by 2, which gives 1 plus or minus the square root of 2. So we do have two solutions, y1 and y2. So y1 is equal to 1 plus the square root of 2, and then y2 is equal to 1 minus the square root of 2. Now let's find the value of x by using y1 and y2. So case 1, that's y1, which is equal to 1 plus square root of 2. So we have e the power y is equal to e the power of x. So e the power of x1, which is equal to y1, which is equal to 1 plus square root of 2. So let's introduce natural logarithm. So e the power of x1, which is equal to 1 plus the square root of 2. So now let's introduce natural logarithm on both sides of the equation. So ln it will be, this exponent will come to the base, so x1 ln a, which is equal to ln of 1 plus the square root of 2. So this ln a is equal to log of a to the base e, which is equal to 1. How x1 times 1, which is equal to ln of 1 plus the square root of 2. So it's 1, so x1 is equal to ln of 1 plus the square root of 2. This is the first solution for x. And for the second case, we have y2, which is equal to 1 minus the square root of 2. So a the power of x2 is equal to 1 minus the square root of 2. So introducing natural logarithm, ln of a the power of x2, which is equal to ln of 1 minus square root of 2. So it will be x2 times ln a, which is ln of 1 minus the square root of 2. Then ln a will be 1, so x2 times 1, which is equal to ln of 1 minus the square root of 2. So x2 is equal to ln of 1 minus the square root of 2. But here x2, that's 1 minus the square root of 2 is less than 0. So this is not a solution. This cannot be a solution for the given equation because ln of my negative number is undefined. So the only solution for the given problem is this one. So the only solution is x1, which is equal to ln of 1 plus the square root of 2. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time.